as you guys can see with this tower of boxes next to me, I did go shopping on the Lush Boxing Day sale. It is their only sale that they do throughout the entire year. Within these 4 boxes next to me, there's 19 items. Some of the items are holiday gift sets, ranging from 2 items in the gift set up to 12. So we're gonna go through every single item that I did grab up. And I might do a second video where I unbox some of the holiday gift sets, or it might be available over on my TikTok or Instagram. So I'll have that all linked below if you do want to see what was inside some of their holiday gift sets. But let's go ahead and dive in. I do want to mention in the description box below as well will be tips and tricks on how I was able to grab up all these items. I did try something different this year and it seemed to be very successful on my end because I was able to get so many items. In previous years, I'm lucky to get 3 or 4 because they do sell out so fast. So if you do want to see some tips and tricks, I will have it all in the description box below with all of my other social media handles. All right, so here we are with the first package. I do want to say very sorry because it is raining really bad here today in Florida. So lots of storm clouds, therefore the lighting in this room is not the best. I'm gonna just do the only thing I know possible, which is shove all of these into the ground. So I'm gonna have a big mess to clean up in a little bit, but now this box is my fun box. So this actually has some random items in it. There is a Halloween gift set that was actually available, which I thought was really cool. So the first one they have is just this little bear. It is a lavender bear. I definitely know the name of it. It is Partridge in a Pear Tree. This one has a more citrusy yet spicy scent to it. It is a really nice bath bomb. It definitely makes your water smell and feel as if you are soaking in some cider. It's one of my favorite ones. I actually already had one of these earlier in the year that I used during Christmas time. First one is Celebrate Good Times. This is actually their New Year's gift set, which is really exciting. And it has 4 items inside of it. And a lot of the items are not just Christmas ones. There is some regular all year round ones like Groovy Kind of Love. It is a really nice, pretty rainbow color bath bomb that is fun to use, especially for kids. And the World's Smallest Disco Ball is another one of those that isn't a only Christmas one. So you are getting a little bit of variety of ones that you can purchase all year round, but also some holiday ones in here. I'll have all of this listed below, of course, as always. And then this little note card telling you about some of their new products coming out. Very, very exciting. Here's one that I was really thrilled for because I did not visit Lush during the Halloween season and I didn't see what their Halloween bath bombs and bubble bars were. So we have 2 right here. They're both bath bombs. There is Ghostly Bath Bomb and a pumpkin one. So I'm not really sure if the camera is going to show it because I have a ring light on, trying to give as much light as possible so you guys can see everything as it's being unboxed. I will unbox this most likely in a Instagram Reels or a TikTok. So if you do want to see what they look like as I unbox them, that is how I'm going to do these because I'm already 4 minutes into this video, I feel like already, and I haven't even unboxed but 1 package. So this one I actually had to peek into a little bit because there was some stuff falling out of it. And I was worried that one of the products had broke. That's why this one's been retaped. So right on top, 2 more gift sets. We have Snow Dragon, which has 2 little products inside. This one I'm a little worried about because it was rattling really bad whenever I checked it. I don't think it was the corporate for all the little powder that was coming out of the box, but that was one of my concerns. And then this one has 3 products in it and it is called Star Bright. So this was one of their holiday gift sets. Let's see, here they come. We have this one, which is called Matcha Roll. It is a bubble bar. We have a beautiful little candy cane, which is also a bubble bar. And then, whoop, we have Hot Toddy. It is a shower gel. It is one of the holiday ones. It has a cinnamon, ginger, and clove scent to it. So this is gonna be very spicy, which I'm excited for. The only downfall is I didn't realize it had glitter. So all right there is just a bunch of glitter piled up in it. I had no idea that this was gonna be a glittery one. This little guy is the one that was damaged. As you can see, the bottom of it is a little bit messed up and it has a few cracks on top. This one, I don't know the name of, and I think the paper is right here. because I did have to open this to figure out why some little pieces was falling out of the box. This is called Castle in the Cloud Bubble Bar. It is slightly broken. There's a whole section right here missing, and it does have some cracks. So this was most likely the reason why there was a lot of extra fallout whenever this box arrived. Number 3. Let's see what is in here. As always, I love that they stick fragile handle with care, but we know during the holiday seasons and the busiest time of year, you might have a few accidents. So if something happens and you do have a damaged product arrive, Lush is really good about trying to resolve the issue. So just email their customer service and they will be able to help you out. Ooh, let's see. So this is a cinnamon one. It might be called cinnamon roll. I'll have to look and see, but this is a cinnamon scented one, and I could tell this box has a very strong spicy cinnamon scent. And it's this. This is very intense, and it is a really good size one. So my favorite thing about their big bubble bars like that is you could break them into multiple pieces and get multiple uses. I cannot imagine using the whole thing at one time, so just a helpful tip there. Now we have a gift set right here called Secret Santa, and it is definitely a Christmas one for the name. And there's 2 products. There's a candy cane and a Santa Claus in here, so very fun. Like I said, I will be opening these boxes in another video if you're wanting to see what the products look like on the inside of them. Now this is called Christmas Buds, and it says right here, stickers. There is stickers included in this gift set. This would have been a great one to give to like kids, tweens, because there is stickers and that would be fun to put on binders. And just wrapping paper itself is really, really cute. So there is 4 products plus a sticker sheet. And the sticker sheet looks like it's gonna be just like the wrapping paper. So it's gonna be this design of stickers. Very, very fun. Here is the paper. Yes, there was only 3 items in this package. So we got that one knocked out. Debating about taking the stool away, but I think we're gonna keep the stool because it's gonna definitely have this box lifted where you guys can see what is going on. Whoa! There is so many peanuts. Now this box has my really big holiday gift set. It is a 12 days of Christmas little like advent calendar. It's not the big advent calendar, but it was still a really nice one because you're getting 12 products. So here we are. This is the biggest gift set I've ever received. It is the 12 Days of Christmas. There is, of course, 12 products inside, and it was originally $115. Now, I haven't mentioned to you guys, but all the items that I'm showing you, I had purchased for 50% off. So, really good deal. Let's see, there is some single products in here as well. This has 2 items inside. We have another Sleepy Bear. And then we have this fun little guy. It's a bath bomb. I don't know the name of it, but it is a fun one. It looks as if it was a all year round bath bomb that maybe they've had extra stock in, or they just wanted to add into the sale to be able to give people opportunity to get some products at a good discount. Here is another one. This, I think, is a bubble bar because it's a little bit of a softer texture. It is really neat looking though. This isn't a Christmas one though. This was one from earlier in the year. They probably released it in the summer or the fall, and they had extra stock in. And last but not least, one more little gift set. It is called Sweet Christmas. There is 2 products in here. These are really great if you are wanting to shop for the holidays. These smaller sets that only have 2 products are great for like Secret Santa or just a white elephant gift. And let's see, so yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 items. And yeah, so I'm gonna have all the names of all the products listed below, as well as the items that are inside these holiday gift sets. If you are curious, I'll have that listed and available. Like I said though, I will be unboxing all of these in a TikTok or an Instagram video. So if you are just wanting a really fast 60 seconds or less, just a little unboxing to see what the items look like, definitely check that out. It's listed below. I'll also try to pop it up right here, my Instagram handle. Go check it out and give me a follow over there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me show you all of the peanuts. So let me just show you how messy this is right now. I got a big mess to clean up. And voila, as you can see, I started to try to put some of the peanuts in another box, but we have peanuts everywhere.